Jumping right onto the chart, we have here the US30 live market, 5-minute time frame for Monday, December 2nd, 2024. In this quick video, we will highlight some key points worth noting. Let's focus on these trade signals shown here, measuring each move either from the signal candle open or the next candle open as we seek to obtain the maximum gains each signal offers. The first buy signal offers a quick scalp move of 42 points with a negative move of just 4 points. As mentioned in the previous videos, this all-in-one non-repaint indicator is suitable for scalping, day trading, and swing trading, a versatile tool which is applicable to a variety of markets. Accommodating the different styles of trading, holding on to the position yields a whopping 160 points, again with a negative move of just 7 points.
Who wouldn't want that?
We will get to the trade signal trigger times shortly. The second buy signal offered another massive move of 120 points with no drawdown whatsoever as indicated here. The third signal, which is a sell signal, has offered yet another humongous move of 125 points with a negative move of 21 points so far. This is simply phenomenal. Find out the name of this trailblazer from this channel and watch the videos to gain further insight. Now, note the trade signal trigger times, the first one being generated at 10:45, the second at 16:20, and the third at 16:40 GMT +2. As can be seen here, these were all triggered in good timing. Pure trade signals with no filtering, which is so desirable, as the market can get really choppy at certain phases, causing heavy turbulence. High volatility and increased market activity at specific times, which causes the market to go berserk, could also be problematic, needing the dust to settle before any trade considerations are made. Pre-market analysis plays a pivotal role in trading the financial markets. This unique indicator works best if you have a narrative in place by conducting top-down and market structure analysis to establish the directional bias at any given phase. It is also important to mark out significant areas of interest, as well as predetermine key levels where the market is likely to gravitate to. Another critical piece of the puzzle is being able to identify bullish and bearish flips as and when they occur, so you're not caught in a vicious cycle of not knowing whether to go long or short. In this example, the first buy signal occurred in the London session where the market was steadily making higher highs and higher lows, albeit in a sluggish manner. Then comes the New York session where the market failed to make a higher high, takes out 3 lows, and reverses with a sudden upthrust to take out the liquidity resting above the previous swing highs. What follows is a sudden massive downthrust, leaving traders discombobulated. How do I maneuver my way through this unsparing market? I hear you cry. Well, this is a frequent market occurrence, footprints which astute traders have learned to identify in a timely fashion and brace themselves for it. The reason Tekyrithmics is highlighting it in conjunction with the trade signal generation and the performance of this indicator. Note how this indicator mimicked the market footprints right from the London session through to the New York session by generating 3 signals at levels where a trader could make clean and safe entries, ride these moves, and exit all trades unscathed. Applying proper risk management and managing these trades appropriately is also key. If you study the twists and turns of any market extensively and master this unique indicator like a pro, you're off to a good start. You may later want to check out the channel playlist videos to gain further insights into the strategies being employed and watch demonstrations of the non-repainting feature of the indicator, where all signals generated remain intact post factum. We see a pullback on the heels of the market downthrust, though not a deep one yet with respect to the swing high that took out the liquidity previously mentioned. Whatever transpires later, a further downward move is anticipated, considering where prices come from and levels at which price is expected to reach based on analysis conducted. Again, that crucial narrative alluded to earlier on in this video that is worth having prior to making any trade considerations. Should the market play out exactly as anticipated, that is, unfold in accordance with the narrative being held onto, You'll then know that you surely nailed the analysis, helping to follow along with subsequent trade signals, as and when they are generated. Armed with this technique, you'll then adopt a rinse and repeat approach to tackling the markets, knowing that these signatures and footprints are bound to recur day in and day out during the various trading sessions as the charts unfold. All that is needed is to be alert, identify them in a timely fashion, and execute trades in accordance with your analysis, sticking to a tried and tested ironclad strategy that affords you a competitive edge in the markets. We can see that the market is currently in a consolidating phase, creating a heavy turbulence zone which typically forms on the heels of massive moves like the downward move shown here. This is the part that you adopt a wait-and-see approach to tackling the markets, just monitoring signals that emerge from this zone, as trade filtering during this phase is typical depending on the input settings of the indicator. You may want to check out the channel pages for the Nasdaq 100 live video with 15 epic consecutive moves in one day, where increased signal generation based on input parameter settings required no trade filtering whatsoever. The indicator is designed to closely follow the twists and turns of the market, and it delivered the goods even during the consolidating market phases. This is a must-watch. Now, becoming consistently profitable in trading requires studying the key factors that move the markets. Tekyrithmics brings you an epic expedition you do not want to miss, the free upcoming TTAC live sessions on YouTube, where we will be exploring the markets collectively by employing this flagship market solution in an unprecedented setting. Be it scalping, day trading, or swing trading, you'll have the opportunity of exploring a plethora of moves as the charts unfold, tracking and ascertaining the epic performance of this indicator in our bid to overcome market challenges and to impact the trading community as a whole. If this is something you would be interested in and are up for the challenge, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to be notified, and just turn up bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. A trailblazer with the factor awaits you at the TTAC live sessions. The big question is, can you master it like a pro? Watch the recommended Nasdaq 100 live video for a sneak peek and prep yourself for action. Let's get an update, shall we? You may want to jump onto your charts to verify this. True to form, we did get a further downward move with the 1640 GMT plus 2 sell signal maxing out at a whopping 257 points with a negative move of 47 points by 1845 GMT plus 2 the next day. Wrapping up, you will note that we did find quick scalp examples, dynamite intraday moves, as well as a swing trade example, catering for the various styles of trading. Needless to say, you're bound to find great opportunities, whatever floats your boat. Or dare I say, your yacht. Now the key takeaway here is to learn to identify the signatures and footprints of the markets as outlined in this video, explore high-probability trade setups as evidenced by the 3 trade signal moves shown here, maneuver your way through the twists and turns by executing these trades with proper risk management to ensure you reap the full benefits of this phenomenal technical indicator. This is the linchpin of becoming a consistently profitable trader. Tekyrithmics flagship market solution, an MT4 all-in-one 100% non-repaint indicator, is applicable to various markets, including your favorite ones. Indices, currencies, metals, commodities, you name it. You may want to check out the channel pages for videos on these markets with backtesting results and live chart videos alike. The video playlist on how TTAC squeezed 475 trade moves out of US30 in 1 month is absolutely phenomenal. Thanks for watching. And most of all, watch this space. If you found this video informative, like, comment, share with others, and subscribe. Check out all the channel playlist videos and be poised for action at the free upcoming TTAC live sessions. See you in the next one.